Mr. Ankur Kapoor, General Manager, Bosch Limited, Jaipur. And here, Bosch Limited is a leading supplier of technology and series in the area of mobility solution, industrial technology, consumer goods, building technology. Please welcome Mr. Ankur Kapoor.
So, good afternoon everyone. I hope I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, my name is Ankur Kapoor and I along with my colleagues Amit and Naresh are representing the Bosch Jaipur plant. So, I know it's a tough session but I am going to keep it light and focus only on the strategic and some examples of how Bosch is driving EHS culture in our organization. So, first to start with a small orientation about our verticals. So, we operate under the 4 business verticals, namely mobility solutions, industry, technology, energy and building technology and consumer goods, and Bosch Jaipur plant. As we stand today, we are part of mobility solutions. Bosch Group is headquartered in Germany, Stuttgart. We are over roughly 395,000 associates, around 440 subsidiaries, 78.7 billion euros revenue in the last year, and over 129 engineering locations worldwide. Coming to Bosch in India, we are roughly around 30,800 associates, 22,000 crores turnover last year, have 16 manufacturing locations, and this year also we are celebrating 100 years of our presence in India. Recently, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has inaugurated our smart and sustainable campus in Bangalore plant. Coming to Bosch Jaipur, so we are, as I said, we are a part of mobility solutions. We manufacture the mechanical pumps and injectors. We are a lush green unit, you can say over 4,400 trees in our 50 acres plant. And we make a turnover of roughly around 1,050 crores, over 1,200 safety ambassadors in the plant. So how safety is, let's say EHS is embedded into our processes and strategy landscape. So this is our vision, we call it Udaan. So Udaan, you can observe that butterfly here which represents flight. Udaan is a Hindi word, means flight. And we had 3 strategic elements under our vision, namely transform to lead the future, striving for excellence, and engaged and energized people. And each of these pillars represent our strategies and milestones year on year which we have to achieve. EHS indices are a part of striving for excellence, and there you can see that text box which has our EHS objectives, where these targets are deployed not only to the managerial staff but also down to the level of associates. We call it team-oriented production, where including the production and the safety targets are deployed till the last blue-collar associate and also the contractual workmen who are working in our plant. Right, so our mission statement is we lead change. So we continuously look for how our ecosystem is changing, what kind of technologies are available, what we could embrace in making improvements, making our plant safer and improving our commitment towards EHS. Most of our OEMs, Indian OEMs, are a part of our customer network. General Motors, Tata Motors, Eicher, Ashok Leyland, and also a big portion, around 40% of our production is exported to various parts of the world. So we represent Bosch Jaipur plant is amongst the youngest of the plants established in Bosch Group. We are a young and energetic workforce. Average age of our plant is 38 years. We are a low-cost manufacturing location, established lean and other benchmark practices in the plant. And also we efficiently manage our stakeholders, which include our own management, our customers, our society members, our business officials, and we see that we drive a holistic approach in EHS culture, not only in the plant but also in and around in the city. We have a very aggressive approach towards the CSR. So this is our journey. We have won National Safety Award twice, we have won Golden Peacock Award, Rajasthan State Safety Award, and this year we have won the International Safety Award from the British Safety Council. So EHS is not a milestone for us, it's a continuous journey, and year on year we benchmark ourselves with the best practices not only in the Bosch world but also existing in our supply and the customer base, and we bring them to Bosch Jaipur. I would just like to draw your attention first on the left side of the slide. So this is our zero accident approach where our theme is on employee engagement. I think the most important portion of our slide is not visible. So the employee engagement, we call it BSPL. This is a very unique concept called Bosch Safety Premier League. Here the entire blue collar associates in the plant are split into 10 different teams and they compete with each other against the best safety practices, and each team gets an award. The best performing teams gets an award every quarter. So this is our employee engagement. While we believe that people engagement and people commitment is very, very important for ensuring EHS practice and also keeping the plant accident free and incident free. Not only BSPL, we also have been successfully implementing digital and emerging technologies into our safety cultures. We have an online digital LPC, it's called layered process confirmation, which is performed at regular intervals not only by our senior management, as range head, I perform it, my colleagues, even the associates perform, blue collar associates perform this. Then we have behavioral based safety campaigns. We launched one safety campaign every month depending on the themes which are more relevant in the plant. Learn to see, where we engage with our blue collar associates, help them identify deviations, then close loop this through the PDCA approach, and then we close loop this within 72 hours. Accident rate, we had last 3 years, we can see that we are maintaining zero accident. We also track first aid cases. On the bottom right hand corner, you can see that we are coming down even with our first aid cases, which are monitored as seriously as any accident. So we are 3, and this year we are targeting to be incident free as well. Coming to water conservation, so you all know our plant is based in Rajasthan and in Jaipur, which is in a red zone, so even more focus on water conservation is needed. So we have a systematic approach of recycle, reuse and harvest, which we are driving towards water conservation. We are a zero discharge plant. All our wastewater is recycled and reused back into our processes for gardening, for washrooms, and we do not discharge anything outside our plant. Rainwater harvesting is one of our strongest pillars. We have harvested around 5.4 million liters of water last year, and if you see the total withdrawal, the upper limit which is allocated from the government of Rajasthan, we are only utilizing 50% of that upper limit, and year on year for the same turnover we have brought down our water consumption to the tune of 22%, and by next year we would bring down our water consumption by 25% in comparison with the base of 2017. We have also deployed smart water meters. Again, this is not visible, it's here hidden behind the chairs. So these are all connected on an online platform wherein any leakage would be immediately alerted. So we have bought and equipped our plant with these smart water metering solutions which are available through a smart dashboard, and they send smart alerts whenever they see a leakage beyond a specified limit of usage. Coming to the carbon neutrality, Bosch is committed and globally all our operations are carbon neutral. So we have a very systematic approach in driving carbon neutrality. As I mentioned, the Industry 4.0 approach and energy analytics helps us save 500 megawatts of power every year. We do very systematic, let's say, energy audits and energy management cultures. We are also continuously increasing our green cover. This year we have installed 1.2 megawatt solar plant in our premises at the cost of around 3.5 crores. And on the right hand side you can see we have come to a level of 40% of green energy generation, which we generate in-house from our own facilities. Also on the top right side corner you see that the result portion of it, while the energy costs in the Rajasthan state on a CAGR have been increasing at a rate of around close to 9%, but through our continuous energy analytics and the projects we are able to compensate it and bring it to around 6%. And the energy which we take from the state electricity board is also coming down from 92 to 82% for the increased value addition which we do year on year. So all this systematic approach has been bringing up the results on all 3 portfolios for us. And now I would like to end my presentation with a short video which would also give you a clue of what Bosch is doing globally.
जल्दी
So as our logo says, invented for life. So as a company, as a plant, we are committed to sustainable products, keeping the safety of our employees. We always say safety first, quality must, attitude in the plant, and also protecting the environment. And every Bosch associate working across the globe is accountable and committed to that. So with that note, I thank you all for being very good listeners to me. Thank you very much.